To a primetime news follow-up now, the search for 6-year-old Tau Rodriguez Fairplay, who was taken to Jamaica last year despite a UK court ruling, has taken another twist. The child's mother, who is based in the UK, in a desperate attempt to bring her child home, is offering a reward through Crime Stop for information leading to the child's whereabouts. It's been 1 year and 5 months since Dr. Samar Rodriguez last held her daughter Tau Rodriguez Fairplay. For her, every passing day brings unanswered questions and another reminder of the life they once shared. Back in April, she traveled to Jamaica searching for answers. It was then we spoke with her. Now she's back in the UK, but the search for her daughter has entered a new chapter. Crime Stop Jamaica is offering a reward for any information that leads investigators to little Tau, who was taken from the United Kingdom to Jamaica by her other parent and Dr. Rodriguez's ex-wife in breach of a UK court order.
The reward is 300,000 Jamaican dollars, and essentially, if you know anything, then you would call 311 to put in an anonymous tip, and if that were verified and how we're found, then any tipster would then call back and receive the money.
It's been a month since the reward was published, and while information has come in from time to time, there have been questions.
We did receive one piece of information. The reliability of that is being investigated right now, but basically that would maybe put Tau in Kingston rather than on the western part of the island.
Still, she insists every lead is pursued because even the smallest piece of information could make a difference.
For me, I don't think that it feels like an option to give up, especially without any word. Even if I do admittedly get knocked down emotionally and spiritually sometimes, but I do have a really great support system that's been helping me to kind of get back up, on the saddle, so to speak.
And as the interview drew to a close, the mother fought the tears as she issued a message which she hopes her little girl will one day hear.
Tau, somehow, if you see this, Maudie loves you. Your family loves you. We miss you so much every day. Every day we think of you. You're the most important person in my life.